What if some of the most profitable crops you can grow don't come from expensive starts, but from simple seeds? While nurseries often promote the same common plants, there are lesser-known crops that grow fast, produce heavily, and offer real value. Today, we're uncovering 7 profitable plants you can start from seed that many growers quietly rely on. Number 1. Microgreens. Microgreens are one of the fastest and most visually satisfying crops you can grow from seed, producing dense trays of vibrant green shoots in just days. Radish brings a peppery bite, sunflower offers thick, crunchy leaves, and pea shoots create soft, trailing greens that look almost ornamental. Even in a small space, a single tray can feel like a mini indoor garden that grows before your eyes. What makes microgreens incredibly profitable is their short growing cycle and high market value compared to the tiny amount of seed and space required. Many varieties are ready to harvest in under 2 weeks, allowing repeated plantings throughout the year. Because they're grown young, they require less fertilizer, fewer pest treatments, and minimal long-term maintenance, making them a favorite among small-scale growers and urban gardeners. In the garden, or even indoors, microgreens work best on shallow trays, greenhouse shelves, or bright windowsills, where consistent light keeps growth compact. They fit perfectly into balcony setups, kitchen counters, or indoor growing stations. Over time, they can become a quick-turn harvest that keeps your growing space productive year-round. Number 2. Specialty basil. Specialty basil varieties like Genovese and Purple Ruffles bring both flavor and visual appeal to edible gardens. Their lush leaves and rich aroma make them a favorite among chefs, while the deep green or purple tones add contrast to herb beds. When grown from seed, basil establishes quickly and fills space with vibrant foliage. Basil becomes a profitable crop because it regrows rapidly after cutting and can be harvested multiple times throughout the season. High-end restaurants and local markets often look for fresh, specialty varieties, giving growers an edge over standard grocery store herbs. Since it grows easily from seed and matures quickly, it offers a steady harvest without heavy startup costs. In the garden, plant specialty basil in sunny raised beds, containers, or dedicated herb rows near the kitchen. It thrives in warm spots with good airflow and regular harvesting. Combined with other herbs, it creates a productive and visually rich edible border. Number 3. Cut flower zinnias. Zinnias Bennery's giant are bold, colorful flowers that instantly brighten any garden while doubling as a valuable cut flower crop. Their large, long-stemmed blooms come in vibrant shades that attract pollinators and stand out beautifully in bouquets. Grown from seed, they establish quickly and begin producing flowers in a surprisingly short time. These zinnias are considered profitable because a single packet of seed can produce dozens of stems suitable for cutting and selling. They bloom continuously when harvested regularly, turning a small growing space into a steady source of flowers. Compared to many ornamental plants, they offer high output with relatively low maintenance. In the garden, plant zinnias in sunny beds or cutting rows where they can be harvested often without disrupting the overall landscape. They work well along fences or in dedicated flower patches designed for production. Over time, they create a vibrant, productive space that blends beauty with purpose. Number 4. Calendula. Calendula is a cheerful flowering herb known for its golden orange blooms and soft, rounded petals that seem to glow in the garden. The flowers open and close with the sun, adding gentle movement and color throughout the season. Grown from seed, calendula establishes easily and often reseeds itself, returning year after year. Its profitability comes from its versatility, used fresh, dried, or infused into oils and skincare products. The plant produces a steady supply of blooms that can be harvested frequently without harming growth. Because it's hardy and adaptable, it thrives even in less than perfect soil conditions, making it ideal for beginner growers. In the garden, plant calendula along edible borders, herb beds, or mixed flower patches where it can spread naturally. It pairs well with vegetables and attracts beneficial insects, adding both function and beauty. Over time, it becomes a reliable, low-effort crop that continues to give back. Number 5. Luffa gourd. Luffa gourd is a fast-growing climbing vine that produces long green fruits, which mature into natural sponges. When young, the gourds are edible like zucchini, but once fully dried, they transform into fibrous bath and kitchen sponges. The vigorous vines quickly cover trellises and fences, creating both shade and high-yield potential. What makes Luffa profitable is its dual-purpose value, fresh vegetable and eco-friendly product in one plant. A single vine can produce multiple gourds, each turning into a reusable sponge that sells at a much higher value than typical vegetables. Because it grows easily from seed and thrives in warm conditions, startup costs remain low while harvest potential stays high. In the garden, plant Luffa along sturdy trellises or fence lines where the vines can climb freely. It works especially well in vertical growing systems or along sunny borders. With proper support, it becomes both a productive crop and a living green wall. Number 6. Shiso. Shiso, also known as perilla, is a fragrant, leafy herb widely used in Asian cuisine and specialty markets. Its serrated leaves, often deep green or purple, add color and texture to herb gardens while delivering a unique, bold flavor. Grown from seed, it establishes quickly and produces abundant foliage throughout the season. It becomes profitable because it fills a niche market with consistent demand in restaurants and cultural grocery stores. It grows easily, tolerates heat, and often reseeds itself, reducing the need for repeated planting. Compared to common herbs, it offers higher specialty value with minimal added effort. In the garden, plant Shiso in sunny beds or mixed herb borders where leaves can be harvested frequently. It thrives in well-drained soil and benefits from regular trimming to encourage bushier growth. Over time, it can become a reliable specialty herb patch with steady output. Number 7. Amaranth. Amaranth is a striking plant known for its bold foliage and dramatic tassel-like seed heads that hang in rich shades of red or gold. Some varieties are grown for leafy greens, while others produce nutrient-dense grains, making it a versatile crop. From seed, it grows quickly into a tall, eye-catching presence in the garden. Its profitability comes from its multi-purpose nature, greens, grain, and ornamental appeal all in one plant. Amaranth tolerates heat and poor soil better than many traditional grains, making it resilient in challenging climates. Because it produces large quantities of seed from a single planting, it offers high output with minimal investment. In the garden, plant amaranth in sunny rows or at the back of beds where its height can stand out. It works well in mixed edible landscapes or small-scale grain patches. Over time, it adds both productivity and dramatic structure to the growing space. Growing profitable crops isn't about having more land, it's about choosing plants that give back again and again. With the right seeds, even a small garden can become productive, unique, and surprisingly valuable. If you enjoyed this list, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me which crop you'd try first.